I was sent this hairdryer for the purpose of this video. I'm really excited about it. This packaging, very nice. It looks like a really nice gift. Very nice gift box. And then here's the dryer itself. It comes with so many attachments. This is nice. Another diffuser. This would be great, honestly, for people with curly hair. And look at this one. Look at this. It folds for travel. Okay. That's all I needed to know. On, off, and then the volume. Okay, I love the fine concentration on this. Look at the volume. That's insane. But also, it has like a cool setting, so you can blow dry your whole head on cool air just to get some volume going. We got a lot of extra volume in there.